Alright, let's look at the homework 8, problem number 28. Alright, so we want to find the absolute max and the absolute minimum for this given function here over the closed interval from 3 to 17. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first we have to take the derivative so that we can find critical numbers. Alright, so we find f prime of x is equal to, alright, so we have two things multiplied together. So this is the first guy, this is the second guy. So we're going to use the product rule. Alright, derivative of the first guy is 1 times second guy. So it's a quantity x minus 14 cubed plus first guy is x minus 2 times derivative of the second guy is 3 quantity x minus 14. Subtract 1 from the power, then multiply by derivative of inside, which is going to be 1 anyway. Alright, so let's clean it up. Alright, so we have, let's see, quantity x minus 14 squared is in common, so I'll circle this. Alright, so I'm going to just pull that out. So x minus 14 squared. Alright, what's left is going to be another x minus 14 from the first term. And then you have a 3 times x minus 2. So it's going to be plus 3x minus 6. Alright, so if you clean it up, you're going to get the quantity x minus 14 squared. And you have a 4x minus 20. And it looks like a 4 is in common, so we can pull 4 out from the second factor. And you're going to get x minus 5. Right? So if you set that equal to 0, you can see that x is going to be 5 by setting the second guy equal to 0. And setting the first guy equal to 0, 14. Right? So those are the critical numbers. Alright, so we just have to check all the critical numbers and on the interval and the endpoints. So I'm going to just have to look at f of 3, right? It's the original function, and f of 5, right? Then you have f of 14, and then you have f of 17. Alright, so let's do that. So if you plug in 3 minus 2 is 1 times 3 minus 14 is negative 11. Then you have to raise it to the cube and then plus 9. Alright, I'm going to just cheat a little bit and bring out a calculator. So it's going to be negative 11, raise it to the third power, plus 9. Oh, actually, that's not all I want. What I want here. So it's a negative 11. Raise it to the third power, and then plus 9. All right, so get that value. All right, it's negative 1322. So this is negative 1322. All right. If you plug in 5, so it's going to be 3 times. All right, 5 minus 14 is going to be negative 9. So it's a negative 9 cubed. And then you're going to add 9. All right, what's that value? 3 times negative 9 cubed and plus 9. All right, so it's a negative. Oh, it's actually a pretty big number. Negative 2178. Alright, and if you plug in 14, this one we can do. If you plug in 14, this is 0, so you just get 9. Alright, so that's that. And how about 17? Alright, 17 minus 2 is 15. Multiply by, let's say 17 minus 14 would be 3 cubed plus 9. Alright, so this is going to be 15 times 3 cubed plus 9. All right, so all right, it's a 414. All right, so it looks like we know which one is the largest one. So you can see that this is going to be absolute maximum here because it's the largest value there. And the absolute minimum would be this guy. So absolute minimum. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we know that we want to find absolute maximum, which occurs at x equals 17. And then it was 414, I believe. So let's check the answer. All right, we got that. And absolute minimum occurs at 5. And the value was negative 21 something, 2178. So I'm going to go here, 2178. All right, check the answer. We got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.